Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, let's try to make a flag animation with smooth moving. Yeah, okay. I will show all of you how to create this. Yeah, I capture many image. Yeah, let's move about flag. And then I plagiarize that image. Then I use make Bezier tool, then freehand. After that, use shift tool to modify the curve, yeah, and then use background gradient color. Okay, after that I will export this image to JPEG with name, use number. Okay, let's try to layout on maybe smooth on Photoshop. Okay, we'll stop screen first, and I share the Photoshop. Okay, that's it. Yeah, I have 6 image with name is use number. Okay, let's try. I will open the result of convert from CorelDRAW. Yeah, I use number to give the name. Okay, it's number 1. Wait a minute, I think it's big. Okay, number 1, and then I change this with number 1. That's it. Okay, open number 2. Yeah, number 2, I will change to number 2. Okay, then I move here. Okay, that's it. Okay, we have number 2, number 3. Change the layer 3. Also, we don't forget the name of layer. Yeah, okay, 1 2 3, number 4. If you want to make smooth, very smooth, you can create many image. Yeah, here I just use 6 image. Yeah, okay, number 5, change the layer. Okay, drag here, move and use drag. Okay, don't forget you must use snapping. Yeah, number 6. Okay, if we want to have the result neatly, yeah, we must active, yeah, this snap, yeah, snap object, yeah, snap to guide layer and so on. Okay, that's it. invisible this first. Okay, I use animation frame. Okay, I give maybe 4.1. Duplicate, show number 2, duplicate, show number 3, duplicate number 4, duplicate number 6, duplicate number 5, number 6. Okay, let's try, play. Okay, makes better than before, but still not really neatly. Okay, let's try. Maybe increase the delay. Okay. Okay, let's try. We can repair this. I will see this. Okay, that's it. Okay, yeah. Duplicate, I want to change, and I will show the number 5. After that, duplicate, I show number 4. Okay, after that, okay, wait, I'll check. Okay, that's it. Yeah, maybe duplicate and number 3, duplicate number 2. Okay, let's try. Okay, make a maybe very smooth than okay, very smooth than before. Yeah, this the roof. We can look the roof, move the roof from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, that's it. I think it's great. Maybe better than before. Okay, let's try. We'll see first. Jadi, okay, it's empty jadi PSD. Yeah, after that we can export this. Save as to file save for web. Yeah, file save for web, and remember we must use GIF. Yeah, GIF. The format is GIF. Yeah, save, and then try to tiru jadi GIF. Okay, on desktop. Okay, save. Yeah, okay, I will show all of you if the result layout on maybe PowerPoint. Yeah, okay, wait a minute. Okay, I will stop share screen first. Yeah, I will share the PowerPoint. Okay, we'll try to insert the result on desktop. Okay, let's try. Okay, that's it. If we want to play, we'll see the results like this. Okay, great. Yeah, more better than our lesson before. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobat Riz. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe like and share guys. Turn on notification.